good, y'all? You back with Streets, freestyle cooking with Streets. Thanks for tuning in. Like always, I hope everybody out there staying safe and healthy. And of course, y'all already know what it is. Got another great recipe video to share with y'all. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Appreciate you coming through. You definitely going to enjoy. If this is your first time on my channel, please hit that subscribe, like, share, and hit that notification bell so you can keep up with the latest recipe videos, y'all. Right here, freestyle cooking, man. We get it in, y'all. Let's do it. Alright? So today, y'all, I'm bringing y'all in. I was in the middle of the recipe, so I had to bring y'all in. Y'all know how I do. You know, Streets start to get the cooking, and I got to bring my people in. You feel me? Alright, so today, y'all, I'm doing a beef stir fry, okay? Real simple, real easy beef stir fry, okay? Right now, what you see on the board, I got some skirt steak, and I got a little piece of flank steak that I had, so I'm going to use that, toss it in, because I had a little piece, so I'm going to use it and cook it. But I had got some skirt steak. You see this nice piece of skirt steak. I had already started chopping it up right here. Here go. I had a couple pounds, and as you can see, I already started slicing them into thin slices. And skirt steak is real tender, y'all. It's two different types of skirt steak. You got that inside skirt steak. It's like the inside of the stomach of the cow. Then you got the outside skirt steak, which is on the outside wall. And the outside skirt steak is a lot more tender, y'all. A lot. You see with the marbling going on, real tender. This is why I'm using it, you know what I mean, for my stir fry. You know, the inside skirt steak is a little bit more tougher, chewier, but you know, you can break that down. Look, one day I got to do a video on the inside skirt. Y'all can, for carne asada, for tacos, you know, any kind of, you know, anything, y'all. You feel me? All right, and I'm also going to use some of my, I got some Tatsoi right here. This vegetable, this is an Asian green. They call it like an Asian spinach and whatnot. It's kind of like, you know, in the bok choy family or whatever. But definitely tasty, y'all. You know, definitely got its own kind of flow going on. Definitely should try it if you can find it. Alright? Tatsoi. Alright? Tatsoi. Alright? Try to find it at your market, y'all. But if you can't, you can use any kind of, you know, Chinese broccoli, cabbage, anything you want to use, you know, Chinese cabbage that you want to use. But, you know, look it up, y'all. Check this green out, alright? Okay, like I was saying, I started cutting my skirt steak up into thin sliced pieces. You want tender beef for this recipe, y'all. You don't want nothing big, chunky, and chewy or nothing like that. So the flank steak, the skirt steak, perfect. I like the skirt steak because it's a little bit more flavor, more beefy flavor than the flank steak, but the flank steak is perfect also. So basically, you know, you got your sharp knife, and you just want to cut it on like an angle to get your thin slices, y'all. Okay, real thin slices. And if you're having an issue with that, you could always throw it in the freezer for like 10-15 minutes, then chop it up real thin. Alright, just like so. And the same thing with the flat iron. I mean, why did I say flat iron, y'all? Same thing with the flank steak. Put my knife on the angle. Put my knife on the angle. And there we go, y'all. Nice thin strips. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and continue this. Come back to y'all. Now, I got all my beef cut up in the thin slices. Now we want to marinate this. Alright, so I want to go ahead and I'm going to add about, for this, now like I said, this is because I had that extra flank steak in this, so it's a little bit more meat than what I was already working with. I was working with like under a pound, so I would say about a pound or so. You know, you want to adjust your marinate accordingly. So with this, I'll say it's maybe a little over a pound. I'm going to add a tablespoon of soy sauce. gonna add a teaspoon of Shaoxing wine. Next, I'm gonna add a tablespoon of baking powder and a tablespoon of cornstarch. Now the baking powder, y'all, don't want to forget that. That's really going to tenderize your meat and really get it nice and tender, y'all. You feel me? Alright, then you just want to get your hand in there, mix this all up real good. Alright, y'all, now after I get the meat a beat down of, getting my marinade up in there, I'm going to go ahead and put it to the side and let it marinate for about 15 minutes. Alright? Okay, y'all, so we keeping this thing moving. So the next thing you want to do, you want to start prepping for the rest of the meal while your meat is marinating. So I'm going to go ahead and start my sauce off. So we're going to start off with, I'm going to do 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Some light soy sauce. Next, I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. Next, I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Next, I'm going to add a teaspoon of Shaoxing wine. I see the Shaoxing cooking wine. Get that at your local Asian market. Right? And it's been a minute since I did a stir fry, y'all. So I'm glad y'all with me on this one. So I did some like maybe a long time ago, a few videos back. But this is what I was in the mood for, y'all. You feel me? Alright, I'm gonna do a teaspoon of the rice cooking wine. Alright, teaspoon of the rice cooking wine. Next, I'm going to do 2 teaspoons of my chili garlic. This is optional. I just want a little bit of spice in mine. Super hot, y'all. But chili garlic and oil. Just 2 teaspoons. Next, I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt. Next, I'm going to add a teaspoon of white pepper and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Also, I'm going to add a tablespoon of brown sugar. Maybe 2 tablespoons, y'all. Because I got that chili garlic oil in there. So it's kind of hot. I add 2 tablespoons. But if you don't got the heat in there, 1 tablespoon is good to go. Alright, so next, I'm going to add a teaspoon of sesame oil. And in my experience, y'all, this is high power. So you don't want to go overboard on this. Just a teaspoon. Alright. Alright, next, I want to go ahead and add in I got me some chopped fresh garlic. Just add a little bit of that in there, y'all. About a teaspoon. Alright, because I'm going to use the garlic when we break out the wok and get it in. Also got me some fresh ginger. Put about a 1/4 teaspoon in there. Just so it could be part of my sauce. We're also going to put this up in the wok too. So we're going to get our ginger flavor. We're going to get our flavors popping, y'all. Alright. Now I want to go ahead and mix this up real good. Oh, wait. One more thing, y'all. I want to go ahead and I'm going to add about a 1/2 cup of water, y'all. Matter of fact, I'm going to add about a 1/4 cup of water. and give this a good stir, y'all. After your salsa is done, one more thing you want to do, you want to go ahead and make a slurry. This is basically like 2 tablespoons to 1 tablespoon of water. So 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of water. Mix it up real good, and this is just slurry. This is basically going to be a thickener agent for our sauce. So, alright, y'all, we're almost there. Alright, so next I'm going to go ahead and get my tatsoi ready to go. Alright, so I'm going to just cut off the end. Wow, like that. And all this is edible. So we're just going to cut it up in pieces like that. And there we go, y'all. Get these up in a bowl. Alright, y'all. Got it up in the bowl real easy, right? No problem at all. But make sure, forgot to tell y'all, make sure y'all clean y'all greens, man. Always clean y'all food, y'all meat and everything when you come home. Alright? Ready to go. Next, I'm going to go ahead and cut up a bell pepper. Got me a aloha pepper here. Love these peppers. So you see a lot of them in my videos. This is what I do. Alright. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and cut this up to some nice strips to add to our stir fry. That's what I'm talking about, yo. That's how we get it down, man. Freestyle cooking with streets. Let's go. There we go, y'all. Getting our strips going just like that. And try to make sure your strips is even like mine. So, because we want to, we want all our veggies to cook. When we hit the stir fry, we want to cook fast. We want to make sure everything is cooking evenly, y'all. All right. So let me finish this pepper up. Come back. All right, y'all. Got my wok out. We ready to get this started, man. Meat's been marinating, ready to go. All right, we got everything cut up, ready to go. Got my wok out, and it's been a minute since I used it, but as you can see, it's still nice and seasoned. Still got that dark color going on. Well, yeah. So we want to go ahead, turn this on, get this real hot. Alright, so I want to get it hot, so I got to turn it on high, but then I'm going to end up turning it down to medium high. But we want to get it real hot because we want to cook fast, y'all. Alright? Here we go, y'all. Got my wok smoking. That's how you want to have it. I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons. I got some peanut oil. That's a high heat point oil. Okay, so it can handle that smoke point. Okay. First thing I want to do is I'm going to go ahead and get my garlic up in there, y'all. Going to have a lot of garlic flavor going on with that. Alright, stir that in. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add my ginger. So yeah, y'all. Real quick, y'all. Just a few seconds. Get that stirred in. And now I'll go ahead and add my shallots, y'all. Alright, go ahead and stir that in there. Get it stirred on up. Look at that. You can see my garlic already starting to turn color because I got my wok nice and hot. Okay. Now I want to start getting my beef in. And we're going to do the beef in batches, y'all, because I got a lot of beef going on. Alright, let's get our beef in there. Yeah, I might be able to do 2 batches. Let's go. Alright, and we want to cook our beef till it starts to turn color, y'all. Alright, y'all, this is the first batch. Gonna go ahead and get this up out of there. Second batch is in. Alright, Alright, now that I got my second batch out, I want to go ahead and add my peppers. There we go. And I want to go ahead and add my Tatsoi. Add just a little bit more oil. Yeah, y'all, let's go. Alright, y'all, as you see it starts to wilt down, I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of my sauce. There we go, y'all. Add a little bit of my sauce. Get that in there. Oh, this is smelling so good, y'all. Real quick and easy recipe. Let's go. Alright, after a couple minutes, now I want to start getting my beef back in. Let's get my beef back in there. Slowly incorporate it up in there. Now that I got my beef incorporated in a little, let's add a little bit more of my sauce, y'all. Alright. Here we go, y'all. Smelling so good, man. Oh yeah, y'all, look at that. Looking good, smelling good. Alright. Now I'm going to add some of my slurry, just to let my sauce thicken a little bit. Alright. There we go. Let's get our sauce nice and thick. That's what I'm talking about. Oh. Go ahead and turn it down to medium. We're done, y'all. Alright, get at like 2 more minutes and we're done. Boom. And there we go, y'all. We got our tatsoi and beef with peppers, stir fry. That's the way you do a beef stir fry, y'all. Alright. Hold up. Gonna garnish it with some, got some sesame seeds. Oh yeah, y'all. Real simple stir fry, y'all. Dig me? That's what I'm talking about, y'all. Check it out. Oh yeah, man. Sauce is nice and flavorful. The meat nice and tender. Oh yeah, y'all. Ready to go. So whenever y'all want to make that quick beef stir fry, you don't want just the normal beef stir fry, man, go ahead and get that tatsoi, man. Get that Asian spinach is what they call it. You feel me? If you can find it. If not, you can use whatever kind of leafy vegetable you like. Bok choy, spinach, cabbage. Do you? You see the sauces is lovely on that. Oh yeah, y'all. Alright. So you know I'm about to go on this, man. Had to bring y'all up on this real quick, man. Freestyle cooking with streets, man. How we do. Alright. So please subscribe, like, share, hit that notification bell so y'all can keep up with the latest videos. Comment. Let me know if y'all tried it. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know what y'all want me to do. You know, talk to me. You know how it go down, man. We get it in. Alright. Y'all know y'all already know what it is for me. Holla.